Welcome back to Moonkin Stitchery. My name is Crystal and today I'll be showing you how I quilted my Sugar Rush quilt pattern. Sugar Rush is available in 5 quilt sizes with minimal to no waste. I do have an instructional video out on how to make Sugar Rush. All links will be down below in the description. Now let's get started. First, I am going to quilt the background of this quilt. I am using Glide in the color Linen in both top and bottom thread. I chose this thread because I wanted to match the background of the quilt as much as possible. Also, the mini serviette ruler from So Kind of Wonderful is perfect for quilting this beauty out, and I'll go ahead and have a link for that in the description as well. So first you'll want to start by quilting in the ditch all around the curved block area, and then you'll just fill in the area with horizontal lines about a 1/4 inch apart. And once you've finished filling in the area, you'll just travel along the way, once again quilting in the ditch around the new area and filling in with horizontal lines. Now go ahead and keep watching and you'll see how I'll start moving across the quilt just to create a continuous stitch by each row. Once I have quilted all of the background areas, I will start back at the top, and using the same mini servette ruler from So Kind of Wonderful, I'm going to start quilting the candy pieces. Also, instead of using one color thread throughout the quilt or making multiple thread changes, today I wanted to try using Aurifil's invisible thread for the top, and the bobbin is still going to be Glide in the color Linen. This was actually my first time I've used an invisible thread. My only tip for using this invisible thread is to make sure you have a more secured anchored knot at the stop and also at the end of your quilt. The thread is slippery and it will undo with just a standard anchor knot. So do make sure you needle up and down just a few more times to make a nice secure knot. Otherwise, I did love how this invisible thread turned out, and it worked fantastic on my Bernina Q24 long arm. To quilt the candy bit area, I'll just start by creating an outline about a 1/4 inch away from the edge. This will provide a nice good separation between the background quilting, the stitch in the ditch, and also now the candy quilting. Once I've created this outline, I am just going to fill in the area with clamshells quilting. Clamshells is a really good beginner-friendly design, but this would also look great with swirls. Once that area is filled in, I'll create another anchor knot and then just travel to the next area to quilt it out. Once everything is quilted, I will come back and cut all the travel threads that I have created. But if you do create a long enough tail, you can cut the travel thread in the center and then still be able to bury your threads between the quilt layers. So go ahead and keep watching and you'll see how I'll start moving across the quilt. I hope you enjoyed watching me quilt out Sugar Rush. Even though this is a beginner style of longarm quilting, it really made this quilt come to life more and also giving it a nice great texture. If you could, please take the moment to like and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next quilt project. Thank you!